Technology has revolutionized the way we learn and access information. With the click of a button, we can access endless amounts of knowledge. But does that mean technology can replace great teachers? The truth is, technology alone cannot replace the human connection and guidance that great teachers provide. However, technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformational. Great teachers use technology to enhance their teaching and engage their students in new and exciting ways. Technology can also provide students with personalized learning experiences, allowing them to learn at their own pace and in their own way. Innovative technologies like virtual reality can transport students to places they've never been before, making learning more immersive and memorable. Technology can also foster collaboration and creativity, allowing students to work together and share their ideas in new and exciting ways. So while technology may not be a replacement for great teachers, it can certainly be a powerful tool in their hands. Together, great teachers and technology can transform the way we learn and prepare students for the future. End scene: a classroom with students packing up their bags and leaving for the day.